Hey everyone, this is Lynn Hamilton, your favorite lead instructor over at Samson Properties to walk you through some basic steps on creating a QR code using QR Code Monkey. Now, the reason I like this particular platform, I get no skin in the game on it, but I like the fact that you can color gradate it, you can color it, you can add an image in the middle, and I'm going to walk you through how to do just that. So, all right, so if you take a look at my screen, hopefully you will see there's two basic screens you're going to need to have quick access to. One is QR Code Monkey. The other one is your website. So from your website, you will go up here to the URL and grab your entire URL, right click, do a copy, and then come back to your QR Code Monkey site. Okay. If you need to pause, I'll give you moments to pause and come back. All right. So from this page, you will put your cursor on the where your URL is, backspace it out, Control V, which is your copy command, drops in the URL that you just copied. Now, this one I have just going to my basic website. If you want to have it go to your blog, obviously from your website, go to your blog, grab that URL. If you want the testimonials from your testimonial page, grab that one. Because what you're saying is this QR code that you are creating, you want it to go directly to this URL. So there you go. All right, so pause if you need to, go back and do that, and then come on back over with me. Okay, welcome back. All right, so in this next section, the color code or set colors, you can leave it as a one color. You can change it to a solid color. If you want to color gradiate it, that is where it starts with one color, fades into the second color. We're going to go ahead and do that just to let you see how it looks. There you go. We've selected a green. We've selected a blue. Now, you're going to scroll down a little bit further where it says add logo image. If it's to just your basic website, you could have your photo in there. You could put Samson Properties logo in there. If it's to your blog, I would go into a royalty-free platform, which my preference is Pixabay, Pixabay.com. You in the search box, let's say you wanted blog, you just type in the word blog. It'll bring you images that say blog. That way you can drop that wording directly into the middle of this QR code. But for this example, we're just going to go ahead and play. I am going to find my little balloons and go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, just like any other platform you use, upload image. There you go. If it doesn't work, you can remove the image and add a new one. All good. All right. So go ahead and do that on your screen, then come on back. Okay. You're back. All right. The next part down is to customize the design. Once you click on that, it's going to give you different options for how the pixels are going to show up in your QR code. Obviously, the solid lines in various patterns is one way to do it. When you click on the stars, it's going to create more of a star throughout it. We're going to show you what that looks like here in a second. You've got other options there to play with when you're ready. At this point, you will go to this green button that says create QR code. And again, it's going to create a QR code based off the directions that you gave it. Obviously, the colors, we went from the green to the blue. We added the image, which was the balloons in the middle. Now, at this point, what I would do is I would pause, pull your phone out, scan the QR code right here from your computer screen, and make sure it's going directly to the page that you want it to go to, whether, again, it be your website in general, whether it be the blog, your testimonial page, or any other specialty page that you may have added onto your website. Okay. All right. So once you've got that and you say, okay, I'm good with this and it works, that is when you will then go download PNG. PNG is creating a file. And when it populates down, let me move my other stuff out of the way. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, if you don't see it where it says downloads, that is where you can retrieve it. It'll show up there on your screen. You'll go to the three little dots in the upper left-hand corner of the actual QR code, just not in the QR code, but just above the QR code, you will do a save as, and you will save it onto your computer where your pictures are stored. Now, within my picture folders, I like to have one that says QR codes. And when you save it, I don't leave it as a generic file name of QR code. I specify where it's going to go. So obviously you can see that it's a QR code. So I would save it to website, testimonial page, blog page, whatever it is that you are sending it to is how you want to save it. Your brain is good, but it's not that good. You're going to forget which QR code you created for which special event. All right. From there, you just click save and you've got it in your folder and you've got it on in your computer and you should be ready to go. Now, quick reminder, you can use the QR code that you create to your testimonial page in your buyer and seller consultations. You can create a QR code that says blog that goes to your blog page. That can be included in newsletters, postcards, anything else. So that's just a couple of quick ways how to use the QR code once you've got it created. These QR codes are free. There is no fee involved in them. They do not do any tracking for you. You're not at that level. You do not need that. And again, QR codes can be your friend. Have fun with them. Go make yourself a QR code. I'll see you around. Bye now.